Donald Trump has signed an executive order for taking out the United States from the WHO. It is a highly controversial step in Trump's second term as president. The decision, announced on January 20, 2025, ignited global debate about its impact for international health initiatives and the United States' global influence. The executive order and its timing. The directive from President Trump to leave the WHO is one of his first significant acts in his second term, even though the actual provisions in the order have not been published. The action would cut off one of WHO's largest sources of funding. In the 2024 and 25 budget cycle, the United States contributed $662 million to the WHO, accounting for 19% of the agency's overall revenue. As he signed the order, Trump said, "That's a big one," referring to the significance of the step. This approach is consistent with his earlier stance in which he criticized the WHO's controlling of the COVID-19 pandemic and criticized it of prioritizing China. Historical context and repeated attempts. This is not the first time Trump has attempted to end America's relationship with WHO. He started the withdrawal process in his first term when he accused the organization of procrastination in its quick response when the COVID-19 pandemic had broken out. President Joe Biden overturned the decision in 2021 when it was about to expire within 1 year from the notice date. International health impact. As a part of global health programs since its establishment in 1948, the WHO has contributed immensely to global success stories such as smallpox eradication and present-day fights with diseases like HIV, polio, cholera, and dengue. A US withdrawal could therefore badly hurt these efforts by further reducing the agency's financial and operational capacity. It is currently dealing with outbreaks of cholera, dengue, mpox, and Marburg virus in addition to its work to address non-communicable diseases and health emergencies. Loss in American support would rack this work and could be impairing even more than if the organization didn't already lose US support. Historically, the United States has played a crucial role in global health diplomacy. The US funding and influence have been a force to drive international health policies. Withdrawal may herald the onset of isolationism and reduced US leadership in global health issues.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.